Have you ever wondered how someone could turn a humble beginning into a staggering fortune of $220 million? Gordon Ramsay, the world-renowned chef and culinary superstar, has done just that. We're about to explore the remarkable life and career of Ramsay, a man who turned a modest start into an empire of wealth. Ramsay's culinary odyssey traces its origins to the picturesque landscapes of Scotland. From a young age, he harbored a fervent passion for food that was not merely a passing interest, but a calling. The kitchens of his childhood home became his first playground, and his mother's homemade recipes served as the initial canvas for his culinary experimentation. This early exposure to the pleasures of cooking ignited a flame within Ramsay, a flame that would eventually blaze into a culinary empire. As a young and aspiring chef, Ramsay embarked on a relentless journey of self-improvement and skill enhancement. He understood that to succeed in the fiercely competitive culinary world, he had to be not just good, but extraordinary. Long hours in the kitchen, an unwavering commitment to perfecting the fundamentals, and a dedication to pushing culinary boundaries became his mantra. Ramsay's culinary prowess and ability to create dishes that transcended mere food were evident from the very beginning of his journey. However, Ramsay's rise to culinary stardom was not a simple climb up the ladder. It was a journey marked by a series of calculated risks and audacious ventures. He ventured into the challenging realm of startup restaurants, an endeavor fraught with uncertainty and pitfalls. Instead of playing it safe, Ramsay embraced the challenges head-on. His fearless approach to entrepreneurship paid off as he turned each of these establishments into culinary sanctuaries, celebrated for their impeccable cuisine and world-class service. But Ramsay's entrepreneurial spirit didn't end at the kitchen door. He recognized the transformative potential of television as a medium to share his culinary expertise and charismatic persona with the world. Ramsay became the face of several wildly popular TV shows, including Hell's Kitchen, MasterChef, and Kitchen Nightmares. These shows not only showcased his culinary prowess, but also his unyielding commitment to excellence. Ramsay's fiery demeanor, coupled with his high standards, made for captivating television, attracting audiences worldwide. His fame soared, and with it, so did his net worth. Yet, Ramsay's relentless pursuit of success didn't stop with the world of cuisine and television. He strategically diversified his investments into the lucrative world of real estate. Ramsay acquired luxury homes and hotels, not just as financial assets, but also as symbols of his refined taste and discerning eye for quality. Each property was a testament to his ability to make sound investment decisions that further solidified his wealth. The allure of luxury cars was another facet of Ramsay's life that showcased his success. He indulged in a passion for collecting extravagant automobiles, including the likes of Ferraris and Lamborghinis. These vehicles weren't mere status symbols. They were astute investments that appreciated in value over time, adding another layer to his already impressive fortune. Ramsay's accomplishments extended to the world of literature, where he authored numerous cookbooks. These cookbooks celebrated his unique culinary approach, bold flavors, premium ingredients, and meticulous attention to detail. Whether catering to aspiring chefs or seasoned gourmets, Ramsay's written works became bestsellers, further enhancing his reputation and wealth. What truly set Ramsay apart was his ability to recognize promising opportunities beyond the culinary sphere. He leveraged his financial acumen to make strategic investments in various industries, including food startups. His investments weren't driven solely by profit, but by a genuine belief in the potential of these ventures. This astute diversification of his portfolio contributed significantly to his net worth. In conclusion, Gordon Ramsay's journey from modest beginnings to a $220 million fortune is a testament to his culinary genius, tireless work ethic, and uncanny ability to seize opportunities in diverse fields. He didn't just create exceptional dishes. He forged an empire spanning restaurants, TV shows, real estate, luxury cars, cookbooks, and astute investments. Ramsay's story is a testament to the power of passion, hard work, and calculated risks in the pursuit of a remarkable fortune. As we wrap up this exploration of Gordon Ramsay's extraordinary journey to wealth, I invite you to reflect on the lessons from his remarkable life. If you've enjoyed this culinary adventure, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more intriguing tales of success. Until next time.